Okay, it's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. People are asking me, Kinghuman, why are you always going mental? Why are you in such a mental state all the time? Why are you having a thrombo? Why are you having a conniption fit on the camera? Why are you flipping and flopping on the floor like a dying fish? Well, I'll tell you why. Because I run into stupid crap all the time. Every day I run into stuff that's so freaking stupid, it makes me wonder about the advancement of civilization and whether we're going to survive as a species much longer. I can't believe this crap. So I had to make this quick little video today because I gotta vent. I gotta vent. So here it is. It's a short video. Watch it or don't watch it. I really don't care. I'm way too important for you. Get the hell out of here. All right, you want to know what drives me up a fucking wall and makes me totally fucking mental, like a mental patient? This is a perfect example. I'm going to rant, I'm going to rave, I'm going to scream, I'm going to flop on the floor like a fish, I'm going to have a fucking thrombo, my head's going to explode. I'm on a platform. This is a first-class platform. This is a big fucking platform that people pay a lot of money to use. It's like $300 and something a month to use this fucking platform. So I'm going through the process of building a page on this platform. And it says here, the first thing I click on, it's like step one after paying and signing up, took me to this page. And I kid you not, this is the page. I want to build an online course, right? Okay, now what? If I click generate, nothing happens. I'm going, what the fuck is going on here? I don't know what to do. There's nothing here to do. If I click on online course, it just gives me an explanation of what, ooh, an online course is this, okay. Now, generate won't work. So I happened to click on here and I went, oh, fuck me in the heart. There's an import field there. I mean, there's an input field there. Well, how would I know? I don't know. You just have to happen to click on it, because if you haven't clicked on it, there's no way of knowing there's an input field there. So I click on, I happen to find it. Now I'm going, what the fuck kind of information do they want in the input field? I don't know. It doesn't say. Wait a minute. I see a little thing going on there. I don't know what it is. Let me get close. I had to get within a couple of inches of my computer screen, and then I can see it says name your product. Now it says that in white fucking letters on a white fucking background. How genius is that? What kind of web developer thought that was a fucking good thing to do? Now, I even clicked on this and scrolled across, because sometimes you can highlight that shit and, you know, get it to show something. This won't do any of that. Fucking idiots. Fucking idiots. Imbeciles. Hey, I got an idea. Let's piss people off by giving them a hidden input field, and if they do happen to find the input fucking field, we'll put white fucking letters on a white fucking background so they don't know what to input unless they get within 2 inches of the fucking screen and squint like a fucking maniac. Holy fuck me in the heart. This is the shit that drives me fucking mental. Oh, okay, rant over. I gotta go take my blood pressure medicine.